Oops. Okay, it was started right. Ephesians 6:5. Servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh with fear and trembling, in singleness of your hearts, as unto Christ. So servants, for example, you have platters, or your hand, you want to give them the food. Servants generally bring things, so it's servants or servants. And then you want to sign for the word person. So whenever you add this at the end of something, like doctor or nurse, anytime you put that at the end, it's a station or a job or a role. So it's servants, be obedient, again with the letter O to your forehead, letter O to your chest, obedient to them that are your masters. So kind of like the reins on a horse, you simply go like this, and again the word the sign for person at the end of it, the reins and masters. So servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to, we're going to do the word from. You take your left hand, put it up, take your right hand, do it in a hook, and it's from. For example, you're doing it from this area, from. So, servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh. So you want to simply put your hand out, saying this is your flesh, and you just take it and kind of like you're drawing up from it. So, flesh. Servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh, with, so whenever you do with, you take one hand to the right, one hand to the left, and you bring them together. So it's with, two fists, and you bring them together. So, servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh, with. The word respect, you do both hands in the letter R, or both hands you sign the letter R, and then we're going to motion towards our right, starting at the top, and then go down. You're giving respect to this person. Remember the sign for person, this person over here, we're giving them respect, the letter R. So, servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh, with fear and trembling. You simply take both hands down and you shake them back and forth. When you tremble, you shake. So, servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh, with fear and trembling, in singleness of your heart. The best way I could think of translating that spot to the true meaning of it was sincere feeling of your character. So in singleness of your heart, the singleness, you take your right hand and you touch the bottom of your chin with your palm out. Because when you say it, you mean it. So singleness, feeling. You take your right hand again, and it's with your middle finger. You come up because your feelings and your emotions are in your chest. You take it and you just said feeling. So singleness of your heart. We're doing of, again, from, right here, of your heart, of, and then for heart, we're doing character. So it's with your right hand, do the letter C, and bring it over your left shoulder, and you sort of do it in a circular motion. You just go up and back. So with your right hand, bring it to your left shoulder with the letter C, up and back, character. And that would be from your heart. Okay, so from the beginning, servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh, with fear and trembling. Oops, there. Sorry, the computer went out. With fear and trembling, in singleness of your heart, as onto, whenever you do to, here's your spot, and you're going to that spot. Or here's your place, and you're going to that place. So, as onto Christ, which is similar to Lord. You take your right hand with the letter C, left shoulder, and down to your right hip, like the sash for royalty. So, onto Christ. I'll do this whenever from the beginning. Servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh, with fear and trembling, in singleness of your heart, as unto Christ. Ephesians 6:5.